fresh news updates from the wide world of entertainment at NaijaNews TV. Lagos teacher assault 3-year-old pupil. Police ministry begins investigation. Nigerians have voiced out their outrage after a video emerged showing Stella Nwadigo, a teacher at Christ My Thought International School in Isowo, Ikorodu, Lagos State, physically assaulting a 3-year-old pupil, Abayomi Michael, for not writing as instructed. Following public outrage, the police in Lagos State have arrested the private school teacher, Stella, and have also begun investigations into the incident. Meanwhile, the Lagos State government, through the Ministry of Education, has also begun investigation into the incident. Officials of the Lagos State government are expected to visit the school on Thursday as part of the investigations into the child abuse. The video of the incident went viral on the internet early Thursday, drawing widespread condemnation, criticisms, and comments. NaijaNews gathered that the teacher was initially arrested by the operatives of Lagos State Neighborhood Safety Corps and was handed over to the police. From the world of entertainment, it had been a celebrity in Lagos. Singer Spyro cries out. Nigerian musician Oludipe Oluwasami David, popularly known as Spyro, has expressed his frustration with having to dole out cash to people who request frequently. The Who Is Your Guy crooner is tired of the regular billings from people. The pop singer noted that he spends an average of 100,000 naira on cash gifts every single time he leaves his home. The situation he laments has become problematic for him, as he's expected to settle financial requests everywhere he goes to because he's a popular figure. The 34-year-old Lagos-born entertainer added that someone was so furious after being told to wait until the following day for a cash request to be fulfilled. The person resorted to raining insults on him. The singer wrote, "It really had been a celebrity in this Lagos. I told the guy I don't have today and I will see him next day, and he rained insults on me. Every day I step out of my house, I spend a minimum of 100,000 naira on givens. Now let's do the maths. Let's say I go out 3 times a week. That's 300,000 naira per week, making 1.2 million naira per month. And that's about 15 million a year. Kilode." He further acknowledged his colleagues handling or experiencing such scenarios and celebrated them. Still on entertainment, Chloe Bailey breaks silence and perceived romance with Burna Boy. American pop star Chloe Elizabeth Bailey has finally put to rest the speculations regarding her relationship with Nigerian superstar Damini Eboluwa Oguri, known professionally as Burna Boy. The Atlanta-born entertainer touched on the perceived romance between her and the Everybody Go Chop Breakfast singer during her appearance on the latest episode of the Breakfast Club podcast show. The conversation got to the point when she was asked about her recent NAACP Image Awards nomination and if she would attend the event in company of the Grammy Award-winning artist Burna Boy. At first, Chloe Bailey was seen trying to evade answering directly, but she eventually replied saying, "You will have to ask him."
Now, Chloe, speaking of seeing,
yes,
you bringing a date to the NAACP Awards?
My godmom and my manager.
Okay, so we ain't gonna see no more Burna Boy.
You'll have to ask him.
But I'm speaking of support, and we were seeing you out with him in Nigeria. So is that anything, or?
Nigeria was so beautiful.
I've heard.
I had the best time.
I've heard. What did you eat?
Ooh, I had some good food. I had pepper soup. I had lots of spicy chicken.
Okay.
Really good.
So I should do the spicy chicken when I go.
The host went further to ask about the moment they shared together in public of Lagos during the Dirty December festivities. She chose to focus on her most exciting experiences in the city of Lagos instead of the kilometer singer, saying Nigeria is so beautiful. "I had the best time. I had some good food. I had pepper soup and lots of spicy chicken. It's really good. I really had a great time." She also remarked on her experiences with Lagos nightlife, saying, "Yes, the nightlife. There were so many lights and cameras." Responding to the question of her relationship with Burna Boy and if they are dating, she said, "Well, I'm a grown woman and I had a great time in Nigeria." Regarding Burna Boy being seen with another woman shortly after she left Nigeria, Chloe commented, "He's a grown man, just like I am a grown woman." Kindly drop your opinion in the comment box section below. For more news updates and exclusive videos, stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.